here we are at the exit. Woo! God bless you all. It's your sister, Blessed Poch TV, Mrs. Lady Poch, UK First Lady. My beautiful people, you can see the way I dress now. I'm at work, okay? That is why I will not talk loud, okay? So, my beautiful people, there's a video we are about to watch right now. This video is it's so nice anyway. It's about our brother Woodmaya. You know, Woodmaya, if I see something like for Woodmaya platform, I will bring it to my platform. I will react to it. So this video is when Woodmaya go to a bridge, which is a river. Oh my God. The river is so beautiful. It is so nice. I never see that type of river. That is why I bring it to my platform. My God. Let's watch the video together. If you see this river, please, my beautiful people, don't skip the video. Just watch it to the end. Okay, guys, let's watch it. Woodmaya. Nothing we don't go see for Woodmaya and my beautiful people. Let's see the video, okay? I've done all I have to do, but it's time for me to climb up. Would you climb? Would you ever dare to climb? You know, that's why we travel. We travel to experience new things, man. But rocks are close. You go. I don't want to fall going down. You don't want to fall going down. Now you want to go up? No. I don't go up. No, I don't want to go up no more. Hey! No, be careful. Can you see that African box? What do you call it? Why is it African there? But you are an African. I'm African. African descent. What does the African and the African American mean? I think you are an African born in America. No, my ancestors derive from Africa, so I'm African American. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right. Right? So your ancestors are from descendants, right? So you're an African. I'm an African born in Africa, born in Ghana. But you're an African born in America. I guess it's what we have. That is the best description. That's the best description. There we go. If you fall, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry for you. Yo. You don't have the shoes. Don't risk it. No. I don't know whether you see this type of river before. For me, I never see this type of river before. The river is so clean, it's so nice, it's so beautiful. The way they put the way they do this thing, this stove they call it, the way they do it. Oh my God, it's so nice, my beautiful people. When I was watching this, when I see this video, I use it to remember when I was in Nigeria, Africa. Oh my God, Jesus, this is the way we do when we are in Africa. But our river is not like this. We have river, we have big river in my place. Oh my God, we normally go in the afternoon, in the morning. You can go at any time. The river is so big, so beautiful as well. Oh my God, we enjoy it too. When I was a young girl, oh, I can't wait to go to Africa. I'll go and look for that river. I want to go and swim. It's good to know how to swim. Like this one, that they are not swimming. They're just going step, going up, and coming down. This is nice, eh? You can see that lady's happy. She's happy with my telling her that I'm an Africa born in Ghana. You are Africa born in America. That is the way we do it that time when we are in Nigeria. When we are in Africa, we went to a river like this. We be doing many things there, talking, introducing ourselves, praying like a baby. Oh my God, this is so amazing. I love the video. That is why I bring it to my platform. That is why I react to it. I love it. Anyway, let's watch it more before we end the video. God bless you all. Thank you for following me. Thank you. Don't forget to put like. If you want to share it, you can still share it. God bless you. Thank you.
Not coming.
Another step I keep, man. Oh my goodness! Where's the hole? My legs up in the hole. That's stairs. That leads you to the pool. Oh my goodness! I love this. I love this. Like, I now know why everyone was telling me I need to be here. It's special. Really special. We're gonna continue? You wanna come along?
Yeah.
Oh, you can?
Yeah. Hold on.
I made it. Initially, I was super scared, but I was like, I cannot come here without doing this. So here we are. As the exit. Woo! Glad I did this, man. Really glad that I did this. I was contemplating whether to do this or not, but I'm glad I did it. Welcome to this waterfall. How was the experience? How's the experience?
It's so much fun.
So much fun.
Guys, oh my God. This is so amazing. This is nice. This is type of river we've had in our country. Oh my God. Would Maya make me to remember the past? It make me to remember my mother village. Oh my God. It make me to remember when I was young. Oh my goodness sake. Oh my God. This is so nice. Oh, I pray may YouTube allow this video to stay. They should not put copyright. They should not put limits. Oh God. I love this video. This is what we did when we are in Africa. I love this type of video. Guys, you see, with Maya is so happy. That place is Jamaica. They have something there. I will try to go to Jamaica. Jamaica is a very beautiful place there. It's a very beautiful place. Yeah, with Maya. God will bless you, my brother. The way you are bringing all these things, eh? If you go to, please, if you don't know with Maya, subscribe to his channel. You will see many things. If you want to follow him on Instagram, nice. If you want to follow him on Facebook, nice. If you want to follow him on YouTube channel, nice. So nice. It bring everything that will make you to remember your memory. You remember the past, the good life you was living. Oh, Woodmaya, anyway, God bless you all. Woodmaya, God bless you. Thank you for bringing this video out. I love you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Guys, God bless you all for watching this video. I'm at work. You can see the way I dress, eh? Anyhow you see my video now, just bear with me because I'm at work. I can't shout, I can't dress, I can't do anything. So the man I can manage to just do like this, you know. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye. Thank you. Bye.